If you're thinking of creating your own automotive YouTube channel, here's some good reasons to get into it. I'll also show you how you can cut your own piece of the YouTube market as a complete beginner. First off, anyone can do this. All you gotta do is find what people aren't posting about and make a video about it. Of course, it will take time as a beginner to level up your mechanic skills, but you can advance your skills with each new video you create. So you might be asking, isn't there too much competition on YouTube to do repair videos? Yes and no. Yes, there might be a lot of competition for automotive YouTube channels in general, but let me ask you this. Are there channels specifically making repair videos for the car you're driving? Can you make videos better than the next guy when it comes to your own make and model? For example, I own a 2011 Kia Sorento. At the time when I started recording repair videos, there weren't many good 2011 Sorento videos out there. Either they did a half-assed job explaining how to fix things, or they just told you what to do instead of showing you step by step. This is where I entered. I took something people weren't doing a good job of posting about and did it step by step when fixing my vehicle. Over time, I grew subscribers and became monetized as I grew in skill, all while being a complete beginner. So no, it's not high competition if you focus on the make and model that isn't on YouTube. So if that's you, here's your chance to enter the market. Besides YouTube clout, here's a list of other good reasons to create your own channel. You can become monetized to start earning money while you sleep. You can share your channel with employers to get hired as a mechanic. You can create a side hustle to show future customers how you repair things. All these things have something in common: the potential to earn more freedom and income in your life. Yes, it will take time to develop the skills to become good at repairing vehicles, and there is a bit more to it than just posting things that are missing in the market to rank on YouTube. So if you want to learn more, I've got a course you could check out. I'll show you how you can take your content and optimize it with keyword research, SEO, and basic tools you'll need to start off on the right path. I'll even show you some case studies which include my channel so you can see real results as a beginner. So be sure to check that out. Link is down below.
Automotive for beginners.
We'll see you in the next one.